Ghana Mampani John Dramani Mahama sese o man Ghana ye construction zone na ne nyina no ejina sa kwan bi wo ho no mo a yentumi enya nto ho biem ti ode a big push agenda no eso eni wakwa akopa wo ho entoma wo atimpoku eye asikuma ma wakopa ho entoma ene nam somebody sebi etuja
say dwumadi aban efreno big push no wo hyase wo framante mu a wo hwe kwan se kwan asese wo honum nyina obetimi aye saa kwan yi ebi watempoku asikuma anyirase odenu ene aflawo ekwan no so wo hwe se saa miamia nyina obetimi ayi kwan no eyi na den sakraye aba kuaye edwadie ni akwansra emu ampanyine ekire se
the whole of Ghana is going to become a construction site, so bear with the contractors. When you are driving, there will be some inconvenience because the road work will be going on. But know that we are suffering to gain. So let's bear the inconvenience. If the contractors put signs that we must follow, let's not get irritated. Let's follow the signs that the contractors have given.
We akwanya kese a dwumadi eba be yi eto nchen a ampanyine ekyerɛkyerɛ akwanya wodo a saa big push yi so ebeye.
Let me just conclude with some of the roads that we have captured for Volta region. And as we said, Aveji Metrikasa Road, Atiavi Road, rehabilitation of Asikuma Junction and Yinawasi, reconstruction of Anyinawasi, Ho Titrino, to Ho Guinness Depot, to Ho Airport Second Gate, rehabilitation of Ho Petoi Afia Deniba, including zero-pay town roads.
Washe kwan so beti big push secretariat ewo mampanyini atena ye wahwa dan dwumadi a ehye big push no ase afei so yi ebehwe se sika wode ehye se dwumadi mu no ni nyina awie emra mampanyini ahye ne pepepe.
So they will visit the projects regularly from time to time at every stage to see the status of the project. They will take pictures, they will take videos. And so I'll be sitting in my office and I can see what First Car is doing on the whole Aflao Road. I can see what Oswald is doing on the Afenya Dodowa Road. Every contractor working on every road in this country, I'll sit in Accra at the Flagstaff House and I'll see the work they are doing.